Oh, if I ever get out of this, I promise never to bounce again. Never.
I heard that, Tigger. He promised. Did you hear him promise? I heard him. You heard him, didn't you?
Well, Tigger, your bouncing really got you into trouble this time.
Say, who are you?
I'm the narrator.
Oh, well, please, for goodness sakes, narrate me down from here.
Very well. Hold on tight.
You can let go now, Tigger.
Never.
But, Tigger, look for yourself. You're perfectly safe. What did I tell you, Tigger? Come on. Back we go.
Oh, good old terra firma.